Imagine revolutionizing your YouTube channel, saving hours every week, accelerating your growth, and even generating passive income, all thanks to the power of AI automation. In today's fast-paced digital world, manual content production can be overwhelming, leaving you with little time to engage with your audience or plan your next big idea. The challenges are clear: endless hours of scripting, recording, editing, and optimizing. But what if you could automate these tasks with reliable, cutting-edge AI tools? Welcome to a new era where your creative ideas can flow freely, unburdened by tedious processes. At the heart of this transformation lies the integration of AI-driven tools that streamline every step of your content creation process. Start with your ideas. Imagine using ChatGPT to generate engaging, SEO-optimized scripts tailored to your audience. With a single prompt, you can unlock a wealth of creative possibilities, crafted narratives designed to resonate with viewers and boost engagement rates. Now, picture working with a professional-grade voiceover tool like 11 Labs, which takes your scripts and delivers immaculate narration without ever picking up a microphone. This is not just about efficiency, it's about taking your channel to new creative heights. Moving forward, the visual creation of your videos becomes an effortless experience with AI-powered editing platforms such as Pictory, CapCut, and Runway ML. These tools analyze raw footage, automatically detect key scenes, and even adjust color and sound to produce a polished final product. Too often, the editing process feels like a never-ending puzzle, but with these innovative solutions, your video transformation happens in a fraction of the time. As your workflow becomes increasingly automated, you free up valuable energy to focus on strategic growth and creative brainstorming rather than getting bogged down in the minutiae of production. The next step in this automated journey involves optimizing your channel for maximum reach. SEO tools like TubeBuddy offer AI-powered insights that guide you in keyword research, metadata management, and performance analytics. With these intelligent tools, you learn exactly which strategies drive views, helping your content reach the right audience at the right time. The streamlined process doesn't stop there. Automating metadata updates and scheduling posts ensures that your channel maintains a consistent publishing rhythm, a critical factor in building loyalty among your followers and pleasing the algorithms that determine discoverability. Now, let's delve into setting up the automated workflow. Begin by mapping out your process. Ideas are transformed into scripts by ChatGPT, narrated by 11 Labs, and then visually enhanced through platforms like Pictory or CapCut. Once your content is polished, it's time for metadata optimization with TubeBuddy, followed by scheduled uploads and real-time tracking of performance metrics. Batch your content creation and let AI handle routine tasks like editing and metadata adjustments. This structured approach not only makes your process more efficient, but also provides a clear path to scaling your content production as your channel grows. As your automated system takes off, the final piece of the puzzle is monetization and scaling. Freed from the drudgery of repetitive tasks, you can direct your energy toward developing new revenue streams. Consider diversifying your income through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products, each avenue adding to your channel's passive income. By outsourcing routine responsibilities to AI, you create opportunities to focus on strategic growth, innovation, and long-term channel success. Think of this transformation as not only a time saver, but as a pathway to a more creative and lucrative future. Automation is the key to transforming your YouTube channel, letting you channel your passion into content that matters. The journey from manual, time-consuming processes to an efficient, automated workflow is now within reach. It removes the friction that stifles your creativity and replaces it with structured, smart technology built to support your vision. with each tool working together in harmony. ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for narration, leading video editing platforms for production, and TubeBuddy for SEO optimization. You're not just managing a channel, you're creating a legacy. Ready to transform your YouTube channel? Start integrating AI tools into your workflow today and watch your content creation process evolve.
I hope you got a ton of value from this video. Now check out this video right here, which is basically a free course for doing this. You will see exactly how.